Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to generate QR code for a contact on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone dialpad. So I'm going to click on my dialpad right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to select a contact. For instance, I want to use this particular contact right here. What we need to do is to simply click on this icon right here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on this icon from the top side. There you have the QR code right here. So you can swipe and see different style of the QR code. Once you see anyone you like right here, next thing you need to do is to simply click on share. And you can share this particular QR code to any apps, just like what you see right here. Just swipe and choose anywhere you want to share the app you want to share the contact with. And from here, they can scan this QR code and automatically add the contact on their phone from their hand. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.